Alright, today we're going to bring a bird feeder, and if you guys can see, everything included in here, this is actually made of metal. It's not plastic like the older ones, alright? This is actually metal. They gave you a perch for it, antenna for the actual system to connect, instructions including with the app that you have to download it. If you want to tie, you could tie this up if you want, optional, but we're actually going to put this in a post because we do get a lot of birds. We're going to actually set this up. So we're going to go ahead and program this first prior to setting it up there to the actual top. So, all right, we're just going to set it up. But before you do that, you got to open the back, all right? And you got to power it on from here. All right, so we're going to add some bird seeds in here. And in order to get this open, you got to remove this part here, right? So alright, so we set it up right next to our other camera, real high. So we're going to be able to record bird actions here. I am super impressed with the application. Let's take a look at this AI intelligence that actually identifies the birds. So we're going to go to events, alright? Right now it shows you all this stuff and pretty much you can make communications, changes, store, username, information. But we're not going to go there. We're just going to go straight to the events. We're not going to show you the settings. All I want to do is show you the actual system itself. So when you go to events, this is everything that happened throughout the day. But look at this. It says mystery, right? It doesn't know, it doesn't recognize it, but it's fine because it's a front profile. But look at house sparrow. It recognized house sparrow, the birds, all right? And it gives you a whole different scenario. This is a mystery because of the side profile sometimes. So it's not 100% accurate, but it does a great job because I'm going to show you exactly one example here. So there was a blue jay that comes in here often, and the system, I wanted to find out if the system actually captured, and there it is, Stella Jay. You guys see it. Perfect. Not only can you see the video, you could download it and you can even play from it. Now, when you play it, you just got to make sure you're aware that there's a connectivity system. Right? You're connecting straight to the actual system, so it might take some time. But once it connects, you could even download the video to your actual phone too. So right now, if you guys can see it, it's downloading. It's going to take a couple seconds. Once it's going, and you're all set. So overall, I am very impressed with this birds seed feeder camera. The camera quality is just unbelievable. If you guys can see, you could hear them, you could see them, and then you could enjoy them, you know. And of course, not only does it work as a bird feeder seed to watch the birds, but it also works as a security camera. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video.